Hello everyone, I've got a napkin project that I want to share with you today. Of course, with it being Easter this weekend, I just thought, why not do something spring or Easter themed, and these are the napkins I'm going to use. This one here has got a green side and a blue side. Haven't decided which one I'm going to use yet. This one is the same on all sides, but really pretty as well. So let me decide what I'm going to do with these. Put the napkins down so that we've just got one panel of each, and I'm now going to take the plies apart as well. I think these are both 3-ply. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can separate these. Here we go. This one certainly is 3-ply. So we only want the top layer, and I'm going to do exactly the same with the other one, just being careful not to tear it. How cute is that? So I'll do the same with this one here as well. Yep, this one here is 3-ply as well. Let me just carefully peel this off too. I'm going to glue my napkins down to a piece of book paper just because they're quite plain, and you'll be able to see the text, not too much, you won't be able to read it, but you'll see that it's there. Now I'm just going to make some pencil marks because I'm going to cheat and use my glue stick just because it's easier, and the lines will just show me where I need to apply the glue. So I'm going to apply a nice layer all over this, making sure that I've got it everywhere so that the napkin sticks and I don't have any pockets where we don't have any glue and it's not sticking. But glue stick is more than adequate for this. So as I've said, just make sure that you apply enough of the glue so that your napkin sticks. Give your hands a good wipe just so that you haven't got any excess glue on your fingers that will tear your napkin, and carefully pop it down. Easy way to make sure that you don't end up with any wrinkles is to put another piece of parchment paper, or you can use cellophane as well, and just really give it a good rub just to rub out all of those wrinkles. And just be really careful when you take it off, and I'll do the same with the other one as well. Both far too wide at the moment, so I'm just going to take both of these off to the paper trimmer. I don't know, I'm thinking that maybe about that kind of width. Maybe we can chop off part of Bunny's ear as well. I don't know, I'll have a play around with it. I've cut my napkins down to, let's have a look, 6 1/4 by 4 1/2, and I just think that's a much nicer size. And I've also cut myself a couple of pieces of cardstock that is, what does this measure? So the card here was 4 1/2 and this is 5 1/2, so just an inch bigger, so 5 1/2 by 7 1/4, and so we can mount them on these pieces of cardstock. But I want to do something to the cardstock first. This beautiful washi tape that was sent to me from the washi tape shop. If anybody is interested in this, it came in a set. I think it was these two here, and I'll leave the link to this tape in the description box below. I have got a coupon code as well, so I'll leave that below. But what I'm going to do is just stick on a border. Now with this washi tape here, it's got a backing on it, so you do need to peel that off. Here we go, it just comes off really easily, and I am just going to stick this down. I'm standing up to do this so that I can see what I'm doing, and I'm just going to stick it all the way around and have it as a border because I think it goes really well with both of my cards. And it doesn't matter if the washi tape overlaps, which of course it will do on one of the sides. Nothing we can do about that. Look how pretty that is. That is absolutely perfect. So I am just going to glue these down. Again, I shall use a mixture of Pritt stick and art glitter glue. The Pritt stick will just go in the middle and the art glitter glue will go round the outside. And then I'm going to take both of these off to the sewing machine as well and just add a little bit of stitching. So we'll add the art glitter glue just around the edge, and that will be more than adequate. Added my stitching, and if you can see, I've got a row around the outside and one on the inside here as well, and I think that makes a massive difference. I've also found a couple of quotes as well from an old Daphne's diary. You know it's spring is that one there, and then this one says when nature comes alive. I just think those are so adorably cute. Now I will be adding these to my usual scraps journal, not today, I'll do it at a later date, but you could just as easily do something similar and and have these as card toppers. They make beautiful card toppers and they're so quick and easy to do. I'm leaving my video here for today. I just wanted to squeeze a quick Easter themed project in before the Easter period is over. So I hope that that's given you some last minute inspiration. So if you enjoyed today's video, as always, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. But most importantly, thanks for watching. Take care everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well so that you get notification of future videos and so that you can see what I end up doing with these. Take care everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.